Why your hot throw isn't working. Some fragrance oils are weak by nature, especially green, tea, and ozone notes. High flash point oils may not evaporate enough to release scent. Soy wax struggles to bond with heavier oils unless properly stabilized. Adding fragrance too cool equals poor binding, too hot equals flash off. Inadequate cure time, less than 10 days for soy, can suppress scent performance. A wick that burns clean might still be too cool for strong hot throw. Fixes you can try. Test at 8%, 9%, and 10% fragrance load in small increments. Swap out the fragrance oil if the scent profile is weak. Use additives like Vibar, beeswax, or coconut wax to improve throw. Wick up slightly to increase melt pool heat and scent release. Cure soy candles for at least 10 to 14 days before judging scent throw. Final thoughts. If wax and wick are working, fine-tune the scent, not the whole system. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you got value today. Check our playlists for sublimation, engraving, and videos for new candle makers.